Hi, my name is Erin, and I had Timbercrest, my husband and I had Timbercrest replace our roof and our gutters. They were awesome. They were in and out in a couple of days. They kept the communication open, and they made sure that we knew, when they were going to be there, when, they needed to, postpone for weather or whatever. They made sure to work with us regarding when things need to be paid. They had an awesome selection of shingles. They even worked with us on putting a vent in our bathroom because we didn't have one. So that was a really cool perk that we weren't expecting. Guys were super nice. The ones that I met, I didn't see very many of them because I wasn't there, but it was awesome. Like, if I didn't know I was getting a new roof, I wouldn't have known they were there at all. It's like fairies did my roof. So it was really great. We love the experience. We will definitely be using them again in the future. That's all I have to say. 10 out of 10.